I'm at the service call for the home warranty. The home warranty's being a pain in the ass and fighting. So we have this York unit sitting here. Capacitor was bad. Fan side is reading 0. Or OL. Compressor side reads 0.432. It should be 60/5. I did already wire up a new one and test to make sure that it did work. And everything fired up. So now I'm just going to replace it. Somebody decided to put another brown wire here. That went to the common side, which can be pretty confusing since it's the same. They probably cut off the old fan motor when they replaced it. But whatever. I'm going to put it in and turn it back on. Alright. There it is. I did have to move it over a little bit. Keep it in place because it's a little bit skinnier than the other one. Amps on the fan. On the compressor. 12 on the hopefully that line starts getting cold. 12.5. Probably where it's going to settle at. Amps. 1.3 amps for the fan motor. Tab with that. One says 19.8 RLA for the compressor. That line is starting to get cold. It's all the home warranty wants. I'll talk to them about cleaning this condenser. That's going to be on the homeowner. See, this call's done though. Stupid home warranties.